In this video, how to install Microsoft 365, Project, and Visio at once. The first way is by doing it manually using the Office Deployment tool. First, download the Office Deployment tool from Microsoft. Open the downloaded file and extract it to a folder on your desktop. You will have a setup file and an XML configuration file. Let's delete the configuration file, as we will create a new configuration in the next steps. Next, visit config.office.com. Scroll down and create a new configuration. First, select the Office architecture. Nowadays, most computers are 64-bit. Next, select the products you want to install. For example, I will install Microsoft 365 app for business. Visio Professional 2024. And Project Professional 2024. When installing Office, you can exclude certain apps from the installation in this section. In the next step, select the language for the installation. You can also add additional languages to install. This step allows you to configure where Office will be downloaded. I will leave it as default. For update and upgrade settings, leave the default options for a new installation. In the licensing and activation section, you can enter a product key for activation after installation. I will leave it unchanged. Finally, click the Export button to download the XML configuration file. Select Keep Current Settings. Select Keep to download the file. Now, copy the XML configuration file to the extracted folder from the first step. This is not an actual product key. It is a generic key for KMS activation. You still need a valid product key purchased from Microsoft to activate the products if you don't use KMS for activation. Next, in the extracted folder, create a new text file. Enter this code snippet into the text file. Save the text file as a batch script with a .bat file extension. Change the Save as type from the text document to All Files. For example, I will save it as install.bat. To install all products, open the batch file as an administrator. As you can see, Microsoft 365, Project, and Visio are being installed. After installation, you will have a few days to try Microsoft Office with full features. After that trial period, if it is not activated, all editing features will be disabled. Additionally, you can download the offline installer to install the products on multiple computers without an internet connection or re-downloading. To do this, change the configure switch to the download switch in the command. A new folder named Office will be created automatically in the same folder with the files. It might take a while depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. You can now copy all the files and folders to a USB drive or place them in a network share to install Office on other computers without an internet connection or re-downloading. For example, I will temporarily disable the internet connection on this computer. As you can see, Office can be installed from the offline installer without an internet connection. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.